My God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen Apple from Apple Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date's on 25th of September 2023. I hope you had a great weekend. We certainly did. Spend all weekend in bed. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, just to chill out, work on online, and here we are on Monday again. But today we're going to talk about a bit more about XM binary. What it is, it's like a mining app, but basically all it is, it's an investment app. XM is part of the XM brand, which this one is, it's binary, and they got options, and they got other websites also. I think this is another one of the big platforms, but this is for trading. But the one we're going to concentrate on today is just purely investing, absolutely investing. And here's my account. It was set up on September the 11th, and today's on the 24th. And already my account, and I think I only invested, hold on, let me calculate that for you. So far, I've already invested about 60, 70, about 80 bucks maybe total. They were all in small increments, like $30, $35, and $24. Now, the beauty of this website is they allow you, let me go through the process first to show you. There's three categories. Depending how much money you put in, you go into the silver plan, which allows you to make 6.2% of profit every single day. And of course, if you jump up to 1,500, your profit every day will be 8.3%. And of course, their highest is 12%. And you need at least $3,000 to enjoy that huge income. And I'm going to show you some graphs that I have printed up to see how much you will generate in 30 days if you decide to just keep it, for 30 days. In essence, this particular app, it's a daily process. You make your money in a day without analyzing any charts or any markets. You just put it in there and trust the system. XM will provide you, depending on how much money you want to invest. And every day you can come in here and make a withdrawal. But at least now you see their plans, 6.2%, from $20 up to $1,499. And likewise to the highest plan, as you can see, that you can even invest up to $1 million. And every day you can come up here and collect your 12% without thinking, without doing nothing. That's all you need to do, except coming in here, making sure your transfer link back to your wallet is correct. That's the only process you got to do. Anyway, let's go through the process. I wanted to show you the unique system they've got here. It's this system here. It's called spend from your account. That means you can reinvest all your investment. Let me go take you back to my account. Every little thing that you have in your account, okay, and this balance here, stay with me. Whatever shows up in here every day, that's the money you can withdraw or you can deposit back in. It's called reinvest. And I love the reinvestment system because I know every day I'm making my money here. So every day I come in here and just reinvest what I got. So tonight, hopefully, around about 2 a.m. in the morning, I'll get that number in here in the account, the active deposit, of course, plus the profit on top. So whatever that was showed tonight, I'm going to click on this button. This is the reinvestment process. So if you want to join, this is how you can reinvest your money every day without taking out the profits, of course. But I will show you another strategy later on. Now, just supposing you've got money in here. Click on deposit. This is the process to reinvest everything of yours. Click on spend from account. And whatever the money that shows in the account will show up in this area here. But because I don't have any, it's not going to show up. Whatever it shows up in here, click on it, whether it be Bitcoin or USDT, then put down the number, of course, that shows on your balance. And click spend, then go to what's the next process is called complete the process. And that will reinvest everything that you have, in your account back into the system again. Okay, for another day. So it's a daily process. That's all you need to do is come and click this thing, reinvest, or you take a profit. For example, let me give you an idea. Say, for example, you invested $1 million, into the system. All you need to do is come in here and collect your top percent profit and leave and reinvest the million again. So this machine is just making you top percent every day if you had a million, or if you have, for example, the same with just as we have $3,000 in here, you come in here and collect your 12% and reinvest the 3,000 through that process I just showed you a moment ago. Okay? That's a very simple process that you can make your money without even thinking or without talking to any professional people. All you're doing is click here, click there, wait 24 hours, come back in, collect your profits, go spend your profit however you want to, and reinvest your initial capital. Wow. What I'm going to show you is the draft that I have made up to show you if you commit to say just 30 days. That's all you need to do. Is instead of taking your profit out every day, leave it in there for 30 days. Okay, I'm going to show you a graph of it. Let's go to say 100. Say you put in $100. 30 days later, see in the yellow here, you collect $600 worth. That's $100 invested today. 30 days later, if you just go through the processes of reinvesting everything back in, that's the money you collect. Say you went $500 today and invested this amount today. 30 days later, $3,000. Okay, that's at 6.2%. If you went up to say $1,000 today, 30 days later, $6,000. Okay, that's if you use the 30-day plan. In 30 days, you'd be making $14,000 out of your $2,400 investment at 6.2%. Now, this is the greater area. If you went up to say $3,000, look at how much money you'd be making. In 30 days, your $3,000 at 12% will accumulate just under $90,000 in 30 days. Take that to heart. These are calculations based. And let me show you. If you start with $3,000, 12%, that's how much you get every day. Earn that. Okay? It starts with that. It can be highlighted for you so you can see it every day. Oh, sorry. Rephrase. That's not the same amount you're going to get every day, because remember, every day when you pump everything back in, it's called a compound interest. So every day you're going to get 12% on top. As you can see, this is how much you get every day. That's the total, including your balance. Okay, so the graph doesn't lie. And if you hold it there for 30 days without withdrawing, you can walk away 30 days later with $89,000. Or what you can do is say, take half of it out and reinvest the other half. You can enjoy life with what you have and continue generating income. Now, the only thing I can't guarantee you at this point of time is how long XM binary is going to be in existence. In accordance to what I have already known with the XM brand, they've been in existence for quite a while. They've been offering services to trade on the financial market. So their branding is sort of well established and well known. This is just a new product that they've probably introduced, and this is a fairly new product anyway. And if you do join, they will invite you also to join. Hold on, let me see if it's up here somewhere. To join their Telegram family. Now, the point is so you can be attached with people that are in the system. But more importantly, take my chart, utilize my charts, and see what you can do with it. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Now, $3,000. Now, if I went up a bit further, wait on. Oh, if I click that, I'm going to be pausing that. Hold on, what can I do? Oh, never mind, I can't show you the rest. if I hit this button, it's going to pause my video. Now, just take these as your calculations with XM binary. $100, 30 days later. But of course, if you're only investing for a day, this sort of income every day, then you can take your profit out. But if you say invested, say $1,000, your first day is you're going to get $62, of course. Add it on your balance. The next day, your balance will be growing, and of course, your profit will be a little bit higher than the previous day. And this is what they call compound growth. And that's what you need. 30 days later, if you invested $1,000 at 6.2%, you get $6,000. Pretty simple. Don't need to think about this, baby, but give it a go. But anyway, this is Stephen R. from Mindful Fortune. Stay away from scams. We love you. God loves you. And we see you on my next video. Happy investing.